Designed to withstand the weight and liquids generated by cars, modular tiles are a quick way to cover up and protect a concrete floor. The majority of the tiles on the market are made of plastic, but you can also find rubber and steel available in a wide variety of colors. Tiles can be used to create patterns or a solid color surface that is easy to clean and durable. Different surface options include diamond scoring, raised coin-like dots, smooth and ribbed. Another benefit is the cushioning they provide for those standing in a garage for extended time periods. As best garage tiles, we chose Ink Store's Diamond Flex garage flooring tiles. Constructed entirely of a proprietary and durable blend of flexible PVC. This blend ensures that the tiles are flexible and have an anti-fatiguing quality similar to rubber flooring, but also the durability, long life, and chemical resistance associated with PVC. The diamond plate design is one of the best floor tile patterns available and most popular pattern for use as a garage flooring. It not only has tough appearance for use in heavy-duty commercial, industrial, workshop settings, it also provides for non-slip surface in case the flooring is spilled on or gets wet by water, oil, or other liquids. Cutting off these tiles to custom fit them to your room can easily be done with a fresh utility knife and straight edge, like a yardstick or ruler. These tiles come in different colors, which can be combined to give your garage floor the look you've always wanted to have.